welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a special one. I am sharing with you guys 5 different digital products that you can make $250 a day with online. So that's something that you are interested in learning more about, then absolutely stay tuned. So let's go ahead and let's dive in. I want to just take a moment, introduce myself. I am Felicia. I'm known to many as the Queen of Content. I am CEO of the Mac Institute and founder of Business Recharge University. And I work with high achieving men and women to grow their business and brand through content marketing and systems automation. So if you want to learn more about myself and my business, you can visit contentforbosses.com. And so let's go ahead and get into this content. So the first thing that I will share with you is that all of these products you can make $250 a day with passively online. These are all digital products. They're in no specific order, right? But the first one is online courses and webinars. And I want to highlight the webinars. I think webinars are like such a great thing to utilize to make money online, because number one, you have your audience right there and they're engaged. Hopefully they're engaged, right? And then you're also able to make a sale. And so online courses and webinars, one of my favorites. Second is Kindle Books. I think a lot of people have kind of strayed away or forgotten about Kindle Books, but it's super, super effective for online sales, especially if like you put it on, your website versus going through another partner's website, etc. It can just be really, really lucrative. The third is doing some type of audio book, right? It could be a audio book of a version of a book that you already wrote. It doesn't have to be anything new. And if you're not an author, this could be something that you work on creating to diversify your income. The fourth is membership sites, right? I love the idea of membership sites, and I coach all of my clients to absolutely join the bandwagon. I'll do a complete separate video on the ins and outs of membership sites, etc. But just know that membership sites are a great, great way to make passive income online. And then the fifth one is one of my favorites, and probably one that I spend the most money on being a consumer, and that is printables, right? Printables. I love planners. I love all things organization, and you can get, if you're into that, you can create your own version of a planner and sell it. I think Etsy is a great platform for doing this. You could also create a printable that works for your business, right? And sell that. And the thing about it is, guys, your product doesn't have to cost a lot. You just have to have a lot of people to purchase it. Makes sense? So you don't have to, try to have a $100 product to do this. You could literally have a $3 product and do this. Makes sense? So these are 5 that I wanted to share with you. There are others, but these are 5 that I primarily have utilized, my clients have utilized in some way, shape, or form, and that I like and I enjoy. So I wanted to share them with you. So comment below and let me know, are you using any of the 5 that I just mentioned? Are you using any other digital products to create passive income? I love to hear your experience and what you have done as well. All right. And if you have not done so, guys, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and make sure that you give this video a huge thumbs up as well. If you're looking for more coaching in your business, for your coaching business, and you're really wanting a coach that can assist you in growing your business, growing your email list, and really systematizing what you do with your content, I will be honored to work with you. I have opened up some one-on-one coaching slots as well. And so if that's something that you're interested in, then definitely feel free to book a discovery call with me. I will have that link down below in my video as well. But really excited to just have this time with you. And hopefully you will subscribe and join the family. And I'll talk to you in my next video.